Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. Welcome back again. Today we are going to start exercise 4.6, chapter number 4, measures of dispersion. In that we are going to study combined standard deviation. In combined standard deviation, if mean, standard deviation and number of observations of two groups are given, then the standard deviation obtained for combined group of the given two groups is called combined standard deviation. It is denoted by SC equal to under root of n1. n1 means number of observation of first group, number of observations of first group, then S1. S1 means standard deviation of first group square plus D1 square. D1 equal to mean of first group minus combined mean, then N2. N2 means number of observations of second group. In inner column, standard deviation of second group, square of that, plus D2 square means mean of second group minus combined mean. Here we have written here formula. D2 equal to x bar 2 minus combined mean. Okay. For finding combined mean, formula is n1 into x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2. Now exercise 4.6, sum number 1. The information regarding marks of the students of two classes of a school is given below. Find the combined standard deviations of marks obtained by the students. Number of students here given. Number of students here. First we have to find out combined mean for calculating combined standard deviation. So here we are having information regarding n1, x bar 1, s1 or for group 2. So finding combined mean, we require n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 n1 plus n2. We have written here all information. Okay. Then write down n1 equal to 50, mean 1 equal to 60 plus n2 equal to 60 into x bar 2 equal to 48 divided by mean 1 plus mean 2. 50 into 60 3000, 60 into 48 2880 divided by 50 plus 60 110. Now total of this 5880 divided by 110. Here our combined mean is 53.45. Okay, for finding division 1, here for finding division 1 according to formula mean 1 minus combined mean. Our mean 1 is 60 minus 53.45, we are going to get 6.55. Then same is here for finding division second, mean 2 minus combined mean equal to 48 minus 53.45, we are going to get minus 5.45. Now we are having all information now. Put into the formula of combined standard deviation. According to formula, write down here formula first. n1 inner column s1 square plus d1 square bracket over plus n2 inner column s2 square plus d2 square bracket over divided by n1 plus n2. Put all information. N1 equal to 50 in inner column, S1 10 square plus D1 equal to 6.55 square bracket over plus N2 equal to 60. The S2 square equal to in inner column 12 square plus D2 square equal to minus 5.45 whole square divided by n1 equal to 50, n2 equal to 60. Now 50, 10 square 100, 6.5 into 6.5, 42.90 plus 60 write down here. Then 12 square 144 minus 5.45 square 29.70, 50 plus 60 110. Now 50 write down here as it is. 100 plus 42.90 142.90 plus 60 write down here. 144 plus 29.70 write down here 173.70 divided by 100. Now combined standard deviation equal to in under root according to calculation 7145 plus 10 422 divided by 110 equal to under root of total of these 17567 divided by 110 under root of 17,565 divided by 110, and that if we divide both, then we will get under root of 159.7. Then find out under root of 159.7 standard combined standard deviation equal to 12.64. Now sum number second. The following information is available for two sections of a factory. Obtain the combined standard deviation of the production time. Here number of workers is given. Here information given in the sum n1 equal to 10, n2 equal to 40, x bar 1 equal to 25, x bar 2 equal to 20, s1 square equal to 16, s2 square equal to 12. So let us find out first combined mean. Combined mean, write down formula of combined mean n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2 divided by n1 plus n2 10 into 25 plus 40 into 20 n1 plus n2 equal to 10 plus 40 10 into 25 250 40 into 20 800 10 plus 40 50 total of 250 plus 800 1050 then 50 divided by 50 okay 1050 divided by 50 equal to 21. Now here for finding combined standard deviation, first we have to find out here deviation 1 equal to mean 1 minus combined mean. So mean 1 equal to we are having 25. Write down here our combined mean is 21. Write down here 21. We are going to get 4. Second, for finding deviation second, same method, mean 2 equal to 20 minus 21 equal to minus 1. Okay, put all information in the formula of standard combined standard deviation. Okay, now under root of combined standard deviation n1 into s1 square plus d1 square plus n2 inner column s2 square plus d2 square divided by n1 plus n2. Put all information in the formula, then we are going to get under root of 320 plus 1040 divided by 50. Here s equal to under root of 1360 divided by 50. S equal to 27.2 of that under the root. We are going to get 5.22 combined standard deviation here. Now, here we are completing exercise 4.6 of this chapter. Keep studying. Thank you.